Hey there! I sometimes hear people saying that views in Dynamics 365 and in model-driven apps can get a bit boring. I do happen to like this very straightforward and clean interface, but there are a number of things you can do to customize your views, and one of those things is dropping some colors on them. So here we got a standard view on the contact table. But if we jump to the support cases table, you can see some colors there. And those colors, they have meaning. They were set up that way. And this is something you can enable on your system just by going into the classic mode, enabling a new control, the Power Apps Grid control, and then enabling colors on your choices columns. Give it a go and see you next time.